Hey everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm honest, Jack and Lady still Lake Jackson, and I'm going to try this new thing. I saw it over on TikTok. Looks super simple. Sounded disgusting because it crunches or whatever, so I won't be eating it on here. But yeah, this is well under our budget. It's a great snack thing. You can probably use it as a full meal because there's a lot of it. So this is going to be great. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, ring the little bell, get notifications for when we do this kind of stuff. And remember, we got merch, we got link down in the doobly-doo, we got all kind of stuff. And let's just get into the super simple food stuff. I hope it works out right. All right, so super simple. This is like a two thing. So you're gonna need an air fryer for this one. I don't know how to get the temperature for the stove, but you're gonna need this imitation crab. It comes in the long sticks. Don't get the chunks. Get the long, like leg type stuff. A little bit of olive oil. Any kind of oil is good. And then whatever you're gonna season it with. I've seen it done with tahini, salt and pepper. Down in the south, Slap Your Mama or Tony Chachere's. So even the raspberry chipotle stuff, I kind of want to try that. I got jalapeno rubs, whatever you feel like seasoning this with. I'll probably do either the Slap Your Mama or the raspberry stuff. And that's it, just your air fryer and these two things. So first things first, get you a plate or your cutting board. I'm going to show you the trick to this. So this imitation crab is made out of pulverized fish. So just come down here to one of the ends. You can kind of see where it's layered. They layer it out and then roll it up. You're just going to act like it's a fishy fruit roll up, man. Just grab it and slowly, gently roll it out. It may take you a little bit. Don't worry if it tears a little bit. We're going to cut this. But just take your hand gently down there. Just don't have to grab it. Roll it as far as you can. Now, at the end, it gets a little, I guess, tubular, to go back to the 80s term, where it just rolls up, makes a little tube. It's kind of hard to do, but if you lay it face up, it'll hold it. Now, if you put it face down, see how the ends will kind of roll up a little bit. So roll it face down with that orange stripe on the outside. Get you a nice sharp knife. Now go along the grain, right? Just down, down, down. And that's it. Now you need to do as many of these as you want to do. My air fryer is small, so I'm only going to do like 3 of these. Now here's a trick. If you can't find the edge, just grab the end and kind of squeeze it around a little bit, soft, gently, and it'll kind of show you the layers, and you can trace it right to where the edge is. Take that, unroll it, cut it. That's all it is. Like here, I pulled it. You can see where there's a gap in it. Don't worry about that. When you heat it up, it'll go away. Just unroll those, cut it. Now you got them nice and cut. You got your air fryer standing by. So get you a little bit of olive oil. I think, a tablespoon or 2. I put too much in this little thing. I'm going to use my brush here. You can just use your hand if you want to. Just run your finger over it. You can dredge it. Just drag it through there or not. Now, give it a little bit of a twist and then put it in your air fryer. Okay? It keeps it from just being flat, and it'll fit a little bit more in there because you'll have a little more height. See, this is the dredging stuff. You see how much just extra oil is on there that you really don't need. Now, the oil on the white fish sass imitation crab, when it cooks, it turns brown, so don't worry about that too much unless it starts getting black, then it's burnt. And the same as cooking fish. So put it in here. You want to put it at 350, as close as you can get, and you want to do it for 15 minutes. Oh, left-handed. 15. All right. And then let that set. Now we're going to check it at 12. Also, make sure that your air fryer is plugged in. I'm an idiot. So I pulled this out at about 10, 12. Now the stuff on the top, because mine is a smaller one, it cooks a lot faster at the top. The bottom one's still wiggly. So this is the air fryer version of putting the meat on the metal. You get the squiggly stuff, put it on top of the harder, more cooked through stuff. Just use a pair of tongs or something, put it back in there for that last 5 minutes. And just keep an eye on it, because your temperature might vary, your model might vary on the heat and how it distributes it. So total 15 minutes, but I checked mine at 10 and had to kind of move it around a little bit. See how that was a little wigglier, but a lot of these are stiff. These are just chips, man. I did 2 batches of these. As soon as you pull them out, go ahead and hit them with any kind of seasoning you're going to do. Jostle them around a bit. I use the Slap Your Mama stuff, but it's great. That works, and that's it. That's all this takes. This, I think, like 30 minutes total for the cooking time. Only a few minutes for the prep time because I had to get it down. Now you kind of see the ones here where they're kind of brownish or whatever. That's just that white cooking. They're crispy, they're crunchy, they're great. I would like to find something to put them with other than just straight eating these. They taste like crab. They're made out of fish, so mind your allergies and your seafood stuff that way. But this is actually really good. I'm glad I found this recipe. I ate these as just a full meal, and just like I said, it was 3 of these leg things is how many made this little plate full. So I think they come 12 to 15 in a pack, so you can make a lot of these. I don't know if they hold up for food prep or whatever, so that'll just be kind of a hit or miss. Got to try those out, but yeah, these are pretty good. You need to try them out. And there you have it, folks. This worked out really well. Now, if you had a bigger air fryer, you could do bigger batches. I had to do 2 to get the ones I just showed you the pictures. But this is great. I want to come up with a good, the seafood dip to go with these. This is great. I think it was the Corey B that I got this from over on TikTok. Shout out to that guy. Thanks for sharing that. And then you can do it. So try it out. If you want to do it differently, you want to see me do it differently, let me know. Put it down in the comments. That's what they're there for. You can also find us on any of the social medias and let us know. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. We're on all those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Living Between. I had to shorten it over there. I'm on all of those under Osway Nerdy. You can also find me on TikTok and a few other places just because I'm weird. And I'll see y'all next time. I'm going to go eat these. These are great, but they crunch and I can't do them. But I'll turn up some music and listen to it. It'll be awesome. See y'all next time. Be safe.